Welcome to another day of epic adventure at Mount Pilatus. Located in the center of Switzerland, south of Lucerne, standing at 2132 meters above sea level, Mount Pilatus is a must-visit as it offers spectacular views of alpine peaks that stretch across Switzerland and a bird's-eye view of the scenic Lucerne Lake. Pilatus could be accessed by a cable car from Kriens or via a mountain railway from Alpnachstad or through several hiking trails that weave around it. Join me on this amazing peak experience at Pilatus, starting with a cable car ride from Kriens to Lucerne, an entertaining recreation area, then up to Frakmuntegg Adventure Park, with its fun and thrilling high rope course, treetop walkway, dragon glider, and more. Then further up to Pilatus Kulm with amazing views of peaks and lakes from the observation deck and several viewpoints. From Pilatus Kulm, there are several trails that lead further up. I recommend hiking up to Esel Peak, a short, steep hike but very rewarding, with amazing views of the city of Lucerne, Lucerne Lake, and the Swiss Alps in all directions. Also check out the hike to Tomlishorn viewpoint if you have enough time, which is the highest point of Pilatus mountain range. The trail weaves around Pilatus, which offers views from the other side of Esel Peak and opportunity to spot some wildlife. And to add some mystical touch to your adventure, explore the Dragon Trail, a trail that leads through caves with several natural windows that open up to gorgeous views of the lakes and the surrounding peaks. Legend has it that dragons with healing powers once lived in the crevices and caves of Pilatus. And for kids and kids at heart, check out the Dragon World, an interactive game and tour to learn the legends of Mount Pilatus. For your descent, I recommend taking the cogwheel train, considered the steepest cogwheel railway in the world, which offers stunning views of the valley and pastures. This ride ends at the beautiful Swiss village Alpnachstad, which is 14 kilometers from Lucerne. You could then take the scenic ferry ride along Lake Lucerne for an added adventure. This ferry ride brings you back right at the center of the charming town of Lucerne. Enjoy the rest of this video for more details.